Sounds like the system tonight is a pretty quick mover.
Yeah, it's going to move through overnight tonight, and a lot of spots that started as rain have changed over to snow, which salvaged our forecast. Thank you very much. And cold air has moved into the north. It's funny because as a warm front approached, some cold air funneled in, and that got us changed back over to snow in a few spots that were rain. We had rain all the way into the foothills and some of the mountains earlier, but now we've got this rain snow line back towards Lewiston and Sebago here. It is rain along the coastline as we anticipated. Big picture, this is a pretty big warm front that stretches all the way back into Michigan, the UP here, and then the cold front goes back to the south, but we're just going to deal with this warm front aspect of it tonight. Now, originally, temperatures were really marginal. We were 40, 41 in a couple of spots when the precip started, and now we've cooled back down. Freiburg at 33 and 36 in Augusta, but this is about as cold as we're going to get. We're going to actually start warming back up now as the warm front does the warm front thing, which is bring in milder air from the south and west. So later tonight, you can see this rain snow line keep pushing, right? Bangor stays snow, I think, through a good part of the night until about midnight or so. And down East Maine, I think it's clipped with snow too. And that snow continues for the next few hours before they change over. And then basically everybody changes over after midnight except for Aroostook County, as they'll stay all snow and there'll be a little freezing drizzle. And then tomorrow is actually a fairly exceptional day. We start in the 40s. We end up in a lot of spots over southern and western Maine in the 50s by tomorrow afternoon. It'll be breezy, but let's not get too picky for a 50-degree day in February. You'll take it, right? And there'll be some sunshine there too. And then Saturday is a mixture of sun and clouds in the mid-30s, and Sunday looks good, low 40s and a lot of sun. So the weekend looks really solid. So the only thing that I changed, I did it this morning, is I brought this 1 to 3 down to down East Maine. Because of the orientation of this warm front, they're able to get snow for longer. So it's not strictly a coast versus inland event. It is a little bit having to do with the orientation of that front. 3 to 6 still into the mountains and northern Maine. That storm over Sunday into Monday, it's still just nerve-wrackingly close, but give me no reason yet to move it anywhere. So we're going to leave it there. I'm gonna side-eye that thing the whole time, though. Pretty mild next week, guys. We have a shot to get into the 50s, like squarely into the 50s by Thursday of next week, and then probably, not this weekend, but next weekend we'll cool back down. But you can see the overall trend here is 5 warm days, 2 cooler days, more or less.
All right, Keith, thank you.